morning, guys. Second last day. Day 6. It's raining. Today is gonna be a rainy day the whole day, according to the weather forecast. And time check, it's 8:40. My voice is it better? It's better? Yeah. A bit better, but I still sound manly. Like so sexy. The Taiwanese salesperson yesterday was like, 你是从哪里来的？声音好好听，好性感。没有，这不是我真的声音，这是我的声音不见了，声音不见了。Yeah, she knows my real like voice, I think. But she said it was nice. And then yesterday we overslept, right? So today we are doing what we were supposed to do yesterday. But what we were supposed to do today is what we wanted to do was better to be done yesterday because we want to put the lantern thing, which if it's a heavy rain we can't put the lantern, so hopefully we can, because now it's still just normal, it's just drizzling, so yeah, hopefully we can do that. And it's freaking cold, it's hella freezing. Goodness, look at the wind, it's like so strong. Yeah, we are all sharing umbrella. Sharing umbrella. Oh, I'm asleep. But now we're gonna get breakfast and I'll teach you guys. Bye.
Don't rain on. Okay.
Look at all the mountains. Mountains. We like traveled so far just to come here and see this waterfall. Wow.
Don't rain on me.
Not. Oh my god, T just off sleep. Are you okay?
Oh my god,
wait, I got tissue, Look at this Thailand. We bought it from the waterfall place, the mountain. Damn good, right? Jingy say damn good. Jingy like Thailand. Never focus. Oh. Gonna drop. So many people.
Virgin cannot. I think the HOLLA one very nice. What like? No liao ah. No liao meh? Actually I miss it. You only can taste the spicy. Same right?
Got liao or not?
Like how we pay the chicken. Got like the noodle and the vegetable and I don't know what's the brown one. Onion.
I think a bit of meat. I don't know but nice. We're gonna eat this. Pizza. It's not pizza. Hi guys. Can I see what you're writing? Look at this. We are writing on the lantern now.
Can.
OK， 看这边 ，ready， 1、2、3，放手。
We're back here again for a second bowl. Can we press stop recording? Yay, second last day. Ooh, wow. We're gonna try. What's this? Black sugar.
Damn nice.
Black sugar with cream.
Cream mousse.
cream mousse and what milk tea?
Brown sugar milk tea with cream mousse.
Brown sugar milk tea with cream mousse.
I think I mix already, then not so sweet.
Damn sweet. Oh, but nice. Not bad.
Right. In Singapore so expensive, $5.30
How much is it here?
255 yuan, which is like $2 plus $3.
$3 plus?
Less than $2.
Yeah, less than $3. Singapore $5.30.
It's not very sweet. It got can choose sugar level.
Cannot.
But yeah, not very sweet.
Lemon?
I expected it to be sweeter. But it's good. This is like, I don't know, taco cheese kind of thing that looks super good. So we bought it. And then we have another one that Janissa is holding. Ta-da! But this one no mayo because Janissa hate mayo. Like, who the fuck hate mayo? How do you feel about that? She's not allergic, what the fuck? She just doesn't like it. Hold on, please, it's gonna drop.
The stick full of things.
Not bad though. Just that if it's hotter, it'll be nice.
Can? If it's hot,
It's gonna be nicer. But there's cheese on top, look. Oh. Guys, we got mozzarella corn dog. Cheese mozzarella corn dog. So my turn to try.
you want this one? Right.
You want the mountain? You think the mountain or? Nice eh?
You never buy?
Cannot. Oh my god, Mac.
Just buy it off, it's okay.
Okay guys, apparently there's a hot dog inside, like a super short one. And we are back with this. This is our second cup. Yay! Now we all bought individually 1 cup each, cause like second last day, more bubble tea. We are walking back to the MRT station now because if we don't walk back now, we're gonna miss the last train again. So we're going to do that right now. 11 plus.
Going 12.
Going 12. So we're walking back. Yeah.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead